one of my problem childs, the Julian, has definitely been a testing engine to get going. So many little things to tinker with. Finally, it's up and alive and running. Holy cow! You would not believe what has happened through the whole process. Took Sunday off, took a break. Today is Monday. Monday the what? 18th? The 18th of December. The Julian is finally powering itself. Hurrah! Cam gear might be off a little bit yet. Ended up putting a gasket, a little piece of rubber in behind there to help seal that up. Extended the throw just a little bit more on the here. That might have been it. Well, good day all. It's been a good day for me. Thank you. Bye-bye.